Hey guys, crypto episode 76. Another down week. Looks like we're not getting that Christmas uptick. It's probably going to be the new year, sort of into Q1, maybe even Q2 before we sort of get a decent rise, but we'll see. A lot of sort of speculation. This is maybe tax loss harvesting by sort of either retail or some of the big boys. I think from what they were saying in the US, the wash trading rule doesn't apply. So you can sell, if you're down, you can sell this month and pretty much buy sort of either straight back in, or some people may buy in the new year and write off that tax loss against any gains. So yeah, and a lot of institutions sort of tend to sell at the end of the year, lock in some profits and sort of give themselves a bonus so they can look good for the year, and then sort of start a fresh balance sheet in the new year. So yeah, along with that and sort of a lot of other potential bottoming indicators, fairly bullish for sort of January. Little bit of news, not too much. Bank of England sort of saying that they think we need to tighten up on regulation, and they need to sort of work with international counterparts, so the SEC in America presumably, and others. They're saying they're sort of seeing more and more large holders selling, and they're saying it's difficult to get hold of the data. They face challenges in finding data on holdings by institutions and big holders. This is a Sunday Times article, so I can't read the whole thing, but you get the idea. Worldwide sort of regulation. It was never going to be sort of, currency for the people. It was always going to end up getting regulated, but with that can potentially bring institutional money, which I think is what we need at the moment. A lot of people sort of still saying we need a retail sort of boom to get things going, but I don't think sort of small holders putting in 300 quid each is going to make the difference this time, not at sort of $1 trillion market cap. There was another article sort of saying there's, I think, 2.3 million people that hold crypto in the UK at an average of £300. So yeah, you sort of add it all up, it's just not a lot of money. Earlier in the year you were getting single institutions, I think it was Ruffer, put in 500, I think it was $700 million. So yeah, that's I think what you need to sort of be moving the market these days, and potentially big companies, tech companies maybe, sort of Tesla, $1.5 billion, that sort of thing is going to move the market far more than a retail boom, I think. But that's just me. So yeah, pretty much everything's down slightly this month. Some are down more than others. 3.8% on Bitcoin. Ethereum holding up a little bit better, 2%. Cardano a bit worse, 5%, under £1 now. Litecoin 1.6%. OMG 5%. Broadly the same really. Basic attention token slightly up. XRP pretty much flat for the week. Power Ledger 3.9%. Overtaken Stellar though. Stellar 3% down. Tron, 11.5% down. I see Justin Sun, the sort of creator of Tron, has stepped down. He's going to get a governor role, and he's sort of still going to be involved, but I haven't seen who's sort of going to be taking over, taking the reins. I've been sort of kind of bearish on this coin a little bit for a while now, but just going to wait and see what happens with it really. Cocos 8% up actually, so that's not too bad. Boba Network looking a little bit strange with a wick there, but yeah, looks like it's 8% down. New Cipher 1% up. Solana 10% up. So actually this week's purchase, I did put £500 into Solana to buy more NFTs. Still got the NFT bug, buying more. There's a few sort of projects that look like they've got promising games coming out sort of in Q1 next year. So yeah, sort of buying more of them, and I was able to buy £500 of Solana at I think £117. So yeah, even though the portfolio's gone down, that was actually quite a good buy. EOS flat for the week. Dash down to 3%, under £100 again. Internet Computer, I haven't seen the news on this, 14.75%. Don't know if this is just big selling or if there is some significant news behind it, but that's down below my original buy price of 21. Not 100% sure whether I want to buy any more though. Probably will have another £500 buy coming up of something, but cautiously still thinking put it into NFTs. Anchor 2% down. Quantstamp, just looking at the small caps, 6% down. Band flat. Audius 8% down. I might have to that's pretty much sort of a little over half of where I was buying before, so might have a look and see if their streaming numbers are gaining. They didn't seem to be. They sort of levelled off at 4-5 million or so. But if they are growing, then I might buy some more of this actually, because Solana's up a fair bit. So I'm not getting quite as good value for the NFTs. Crypto.com coin 9%. Still not going to be able to do a lot with this for now. Not putting money on the platform yet to get my credit card, but that would be the idea later on. Sort of sell a lot of the crypto holdings and have some in stable coins and get the Crypto.com credit card. Use some of the staking features as well. So yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. Another drop, about 7,000 down. 9,000 down. But yeah, fairly bullish on the new year. So stay patient and like and subscribe. See you soon.